welcome back everyone. If you want to see the unboxing and review of this 4x4 closure, please keep watching. Also, there are a lot of fraud companies pretending to be LuvMe, so make sure when you're ordering you're going to the right link. Hey everyone, welcome back to my page. If you're new here, hey, my name is LaPortia. Today I'm here with LuvMe. If you haven't heard of them, this is one of my favorite hair companies. I buy from them a lot since they came out. I buy their hair with my own money. I buy their bundles. I just now started buying their lace fronts. At first I didn't because I didn't know how to do lace fronts myself. So until I practiced with lower brand lace fronts, and now that I know how to do them, I decided to go ahead and purchase me some. This is what I got. A LuvMe brush. Another LuvMe brush. Wow, I never got two of the same gifts. But I'm not complaining. The wig that I picked was a 4x4 26-inch straight wig. I'll show you more of it in a minute. The wig cap, wig grip, the guide, and something to keep the wig in. So what I like to do with my natural hair is section it in 2 ponytails. Sorry it's frizzy. I had flat ironed it really not too long ago, but I had worked out and it sweat out. So I know everybody's talking about, oh, it's natural hair season. I think I'm gonna skip this year because I don't have time for that. Because I'm the type that'll keep flat ironing my hair every time it frizz up. And I'm just gonna have a whole bunch of breakage. So y'all have fun with y'all freaking natural hair season. And I'm gonna put mine under my wig. I'll see y'all another year. So, anyways, I'm doing now. But I like to gel it down, like more towards the back like this. I'm gonna put my wig cap on. So I don't do cornrows or anything, but when I flat iron, my hair is so thin, like, and flat. I don't have to worry about doing no cornrows or anything. Both of these are done. Now I like to cross them tightly. And then just do this. And get one clip. Anyways, get one clip. Clip it there. And get the other clip and clip it the other way. gotta do it over. I don't know how that just fell. Anyways, like that. And I'm gonna use this wig cap that they sent me, but I normally don't use this color, but I don't have any other color with me right now. So until I go to the store, this is gonna have to do. So I'm gonna put this on. Maybe this is a better color for me. I've never tried this color. Normally get like a shade lighter than this one, but we'll see how this works out. Let's just test it out. And normally, even though I get glueless wigs, I like to glue mine down anyways, but let's see how this is without gluing it down today, just for y'all. Because the last wig was glueless that I put on my stories, and I glued it down anyways. It was cute. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It is also from LuvMe. It's the highlighted wig. Honestly, I love it a lot. I've straightened it and even washed it, and it curled right back up. It's the LuvMe 26-inch curly wig. I love it. It has highlights. So normally I will spray my lace with my Eden spray, but first I'm just gonna try it on. I never tried a 4-inch lace. I normally get the 13x6 or the 5x5. So this is my first time doing a 4x4. So I'm just gonna put it on and try it on first. Just to see how it looks. It also comes with the band on the inside here. It comes with the straps here. And it comes with the combs. So it's lovely. Let's test it. As far as now, it's really tight, which I like. It has baby hairs, of course. So this is what a 4x4 looks like if you don't know. 5x5 would stop right about here. And a 13x6 would be like right here. So I'm gonna cut the lace and then show you what it looks like. Normally I cut my lace on a mannequin head, but for video purposes, and since I haven't done a lace front on my page, I decided to go ahead and do it with y'all. So while we're here, this is a 4x4 lace closer that is mid-part. It has regular lace. LuvMe also has HD lace, but this is a regular lace wig, but it's pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It has 180% density of hair. So that's one thing I love about it. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in my Amazon storefront under the description, as well as the link for the wig off the LuvMe site. I'm trying to focus so I don't cut myself. But I am so tired. I didn't get no sleep the night before. I just couldn't sleep for nothing. Just showing y'all I didn't glue it down. Normally I do. And that's the parting space. Normally I put a little bit of concealer there. I might do it later. So now I'm going to take the wig off and flatten it with my hot comb and use my wax stick. I like to use this hair sleek stick by Even to lay my wig flat. And I also use the hot comb. You can purchase it on my Amazon storefront. I will also put that link down below. So what I like to do is put it here. This also helps with flyaways as well. But I'll just put it all over here and then I'll rub it in a little bit and get my hot comb and just smooth it down. And it really helps a lot. Just so you don't have the wig looking all lumpy. I don't really feel like this needed it as much as some of the other ones I've played around with, like the lower brand lace fronts. So this was already made pretty good. I just wanted to go over it just a little bit. Overall, I really love this wig. It's my first 4x4 and I really like it. The only difference is this part is out, but I am gonna gel my edges down here and over here. My ears right here are kind of under, it's flat. I tried to adjust it, there's really no way. It doesn't hurt or anything, but when I put it like that, you see how it kind of smushes it, so just keep it like that. But other than that, I love it. The hair is beautiful, of course, because LuvMe has really good hair. I wore it all day. It didn't tangle up. So I will be ordering another straight wig. I think I'll do a 5x5 next, or maybe a 13x6, I'm not sure. Also, they have really good bundles, and I normally like to make a quick weave or make my own wigs. Sometimes I even do my own clip-ins. So it really just depends on what I want to do next, because I am a member and I do get points. So when you're a member, the more you buy, the more points you get, so you get a good discount. So I don't know what I'm gonna buy next, but I have another wig to review, and I'll probably put that review up next week, and that will be a curly wig. And that's like a deep body wave, so I'll do that one next. Other than that, I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm probably gonna do a style video of trying to curl it, wave it up, because I want to get more into my hair videos on my page, because I miss doing my hair videos, whether it's wigs, natural hair, whatever, and get back to my weight loss stuff, which I need to talk about some of that stuff as well. Anyways, like and subscribe. Bye.